Hello guys, Colorado Dude here. I'm working on my little Echo trimmer. Got a slight problem with my little Echo trimmer. That's why I don't have to turn my camera upside down. It's a good trimmer. It's like 2 years old. Yeah, there's a slight problem. I'm gonna turn it over. Hopefully I don't knock anything off my table. But you know, there's a hole in the bottom of my head. I fixed this last week. I glued a piece of plastic over the top. I glued it on the inside, kind of sandwiched them together. Well, it fell apart and the spring's gone, so now it don't work no more. Anyway, they do wear out from time to time, believe it or not. They're just plastic. And of course, I ordered it and it's supposed to be here last Friday. So this whole week, I did trim Mondays till I didn't get in Tuesdays. I went to trim Tuesdays and that's when I noticed the button was gone. The spring was gone out of there. This bag here. I'm not getting anything. I already got fresh running around. Here, look out my patio. That's better. And so in this little bag here, I don't know who she ordered this from. Bill's Place Outdoor Power, St. Peters, Missouri. Ordered off Amazon. That's where it came from because my lawnmower shop in Denver didn't have any. It was supposed to be here last Friday. Didn't get here till today, a week later. So anyway, but you know, it's in this little bag here. I got them today, and they delivered it. So I got done mowing. I mowed the ones around here, and I got me a new speed head. That's what it's supposed to look like that. Not like that one. It's supposed to look like this one. I hope I got the right head. Let's see here. No, they even put a little packing slip in there from Bill's Place, so I know where to order the rest of them then. Anyway, my lawnmower shop here will charge me $45 for the same head I paid $25 for on Amazon. Or in this case, Bill's Place. They stapled this shut. They stapled the bill on there. That's pretty nice, those guys. I can just go straight to them. Let's see what the quality was. Didn't put a price on here though. Oh well. They did mail this, stapled this shut. And they give you all the fun stuff in here. This is really simple, a quick, easy job. They give you all the stuff, spacers, and all that. Oops, I don't need that spacer, but I'm hold on to it. You only need one tool to change this head. Screwdriver. And a little, just here I'll show you. No notch there. You have a little hole there. And the screwdriver fits in there just like that. Real simple. I mean, I probably showed this to you guys before how to do this, but anyway, gotta raise me up a little bit. I guess, there we go. I'm not practicing filming. So anyway, and these are counterclockwise. So not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Righty loose, lefty tight. So for the reverse head, so I gotta turn this over so I can get that off of there. That's in there. Sometimes they usually come off fairly easy. Hit the wrong way, Steve. They never put the one on out of the bag I need. This one is the gold one. Hey, might actually have it. Well, that's the wrong one. I think it's supposed to be the green one. I think the green's worn off of that. Well, let me see if this is the right one. I'll see if I can spin this out. Maybe it's the right one after all. I won't have to change it. Hey, how about that? I got actually the one that actually is in there for a change. They give you all these different ones on here. I was going to have to show you how to take the whole head apart and unwind it and put the different one in there, and it comes already preloaded in there. I'm going to see what this one says on the back here though. No, I didn't take it off here. I think she got me the right one. Yeah, let's see. 10,000 RPM max. 10,000 RPM max. Patent, okay. And other pending. Yep, same one. So there's the quickie one today, guys. I didn't have to take it all apart and put different nuts or spaces. It came with the right one already in there. That's the first. I never had that. Usually I don't get that lucky. Okay, that moved on it. Now, so I'll put this back on. And I'll be back in business. And that, folks, I thought it'd be a lot harder than that. That's how you change a trimmer head on an Echo. What do I got? An Echo SRM 266. Yeah, or 260. I can't read sideways. Anyway, that was quickie. I thought it would take a lot longer to do that. So it's a quick, short video. The same instead of my usual ranting and raving. But let's see what kind of trimmer I actually got here. 266 SRM 266 Echo trimmer. And I had around this thing all week. Let me tell you, people, it's 100 degrees here today. Let me double check. Yeah, my watch said 90. I think it's a lot hotter than 90 out there. And you see that big puddle of water out there? That's where I'm heading in a little bit. I'm gonna change my blades tomorrow when it's in the morning when it's a little cooler out there. Or I might go in after I take a dip in the pool, go out there and jump in that. Anyway, y'all like and subscribe to my channel. And all that good stuff, gobbledygook. Doesn't that pool look great? 100 degrees outside. My watch says 90. I swear it's hotter than that. Anyway, like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a note or two or a comment or whatever. But that's real easy. How to change a head on a Echo trimmer. Most of them they're all exactly, except the only difference is, like I said, they give you all these little doohickey because this stupid thing fits. How many different trimmers does this fit? It doesn't tell me on here how many different models it fits. But I was impressed that it actually had the right nut in there. Anyway, talk to y'all later. Ciao. That's leftover from 4th of July. Leftover sody. Take it all easy. Maybe poo in my pool again. Talk to y'all later. Bye. And remember, always be nice out there.